you need to understand what these actually mean. 5a times 3b. It actually means 5 times a times 3 times b. So you multiply the real numbers and you multiply the letters. So 5 times 3, that will give you 15. Then a times b, that will give you ab. That's why the answer is 15ab. So the rule is to multiply the real numbers and multiply the actual letters and apply laws of indices where possible. Number 2, what does 6m squared mean and what does 3m mean? It means 6 times m, then times 3 times m. So you can group the numbers separately, then multiply them. 6 times 3, that will give you 18. Then m times m times m, there are 3 lots of m, each one has a power of 1. And in law of indices, when you multiply index with the same base, you only add the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, or because there are 3 lots of m. So that's why it's 18 m cubed. 6 times 3 is 18, m times m times m is m cubed. Now what if there was division? Still the same rule. 12a cubed is 12 times a times a times a. Divide, I write it as a fraction, and I put this as denominator. A squared is a times a. Now, when you do it as a fraction, you can now cancel out, like simplifying fraction. Cancel out common terms. So I can cancel out these 2 a's, and I'm only left with only 1 a, and 12 times a, that will give you 12a. So that's how we simplify when it's division. Then let's look at the last one. Write this in full. This is exactly what it means. 9y cubed z squared. This is exactly what it means. Divided by y squared times z. So y times y times z. Let's cross out all the common terms. What about the z? So all we have left is y times z, then times 9. So 9 times y times z, that will give you 9yz. Now let's look at the exam style question.